These are always the fun ones. I'm gonna try to reach back in here and grab her out real quick. Oh, that's a tight fit. Alright. Time to have some fun. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. I got you. We're just gonna let you go out here. Keep going. Come on, get find a new home. Okay. Now to finish screening this. Like and subscribe, y'all. It's getting too hot in AZ. Another one done. She ain't getting back in there. And yes, I normally clean, but he opted out from it. He just wanted me to remove her and close it. That's it, y'all. Like and subscribe.